Hi, this is Alan. I'm from Florida. I found Leaf Home Water Solutions on Facebook and kind of went through that to get to it. Um, I really like the idea of lowering uh, the calcium buildup in my home because fish bump their nose in the water here in Florida. We're real high in line. I just like the idea of not having to worry with lime scale in the shower and that kind of place. They have a real good warranty on the product, and I would recommend any military to go ahead and ask for your military discount after you've made or getting ready to make the purchase. Uh, Again, good product. I would recommend it. The people that I worked with were very helpful. They kind of reduced the price a little bit as we went along, which was a good idea. The installation went very quickly, and it was very professionally done. They left it as clean, if not cleaner, than the area when they found it. So, I just recommend it to anybody that wants to try this product, and hope you have as good a results as I did. Thanks.